Are you searching for a superfood that not only tastes great, but also packs a nutritional punch? Look no further. Chickpeas are here to elevate your health. These tiny legumes are a treasure trove of essential nutrients, and here's a breakdown of their nutritional profile. 100 g of chickpeas contain approximately 164 calories, a generous 19 grams of protein, about 6 grams of fat, and around 61 grams of carbs. Now, let's explore the remarkable health benefits that chickpeas bring to the table. Chickpeas are rich in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and providing a lasting feeling of fullness. This is particularly beneficial for weight management. An excellent source of plant-based protein, chickpeas are a valuable addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. They supply all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Chickpeas boast a variety of vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and folate. Iron supports red blood cell production, magnesium aids in muscle and nerve function, and folate is essential for healthy cell growth and development. Studies suggest that consuming chickpeas may contribute to lowering cholesterol levels, improving blood sugar control, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Whether you're aiming to enhance digestion, build muscle, or support overall health, chickpeas are a versatile and nutritious choice. Don't miss out on these incredible health benefits. Start incorporating chickpeas into your diet today and relish the tasty and nourishing advantages they offer. For more insightful content on nutrition and well-being, remember to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.